Welcome to Radiant Mindset. These passive income affirmations, Manifest Freedom, are designed to reprogram your subconscious mind to attract effortless wealth. As you listen and repeat, you'll open yourself to new opportunities, financial flow, and freedom. Let these affirmations guide you toward abundance, security, and a life of ease. I am worthy of creating passive income streams that bring lasting financial freedom. Money flows to me effortlessly through multiple streams of passive income daily. I attract abundant opportunities to generate wealth without constant effort or struggle. My passive income grows steadily, creating a secure and abundant lifestyle. I welcome new opportunities for wealth and financial freedom into my life. I trust money flows to me easily through passive income channels. Every day, I am attracting consistent passive income and financial independence. I am aligned with wealth, abundance, and passive financial freedom always. My life is filled with ease, freedom, and endless financial opportunities. Passive income allows me to enjoy time, freedom, and peace daily. I create passive income that grows and multiplies even while I sleep. Wealth flows to me abundantly through smart passive income decisions daily. I am grateful for the endless flow of passive income blessings. My financial freedom expands as my passive income grows stronger each day. I attract opportunities that allow me to earn effortlessly and abundantly. My money works for me, creating streams of freedom and wealth. I am constantly creating and attracting passive income sources that thrive. My wealth multiplies through passive income, giving me true freedom daily. I welcome financial abundance, prosperity, and freedom into my life always. My income flows effortlessly, providing me time and freedom to enjoy life. I deserve financial ease, wealth, and passive income opportunities daily. I attract investments and income streams that grow consistently with ease. My passive income supports a life of abundance, joy, and freedom. I am open to creative passive income ideas that flow abundantly. Financial opportunities flow to me naturally and expand my income daily. My money multiplies effortlessly, creating freedom and stability in my life. I am grateful for the passive income that flows easily to me. I trust the universe to provide consistent streams of passive income daily. My financial independence grows as I attract wealth through passive channels. I create systems that bring ongoing passive income and endless financial blessings. My passive income increases daily, giving me more freedom and choices. Abundance flows into my life effortlessly through passive wealth creation. I deserve the freedom passive income brings into my everyday life. My wealth multiplies daily, providing me with limitless opportunities and freedom. I am open to new investments that create consistent passive income flow. Financial abundance surrounds me as my passive income grows naturally. My money works for me, creating wealth and financial peace daily. I attract passive income opportunities that support my financial freedom lifestyle. My abundance grows daily through effortless passive income streams. I am constantly manifesting wealth, prosperity, and freedom through passive income. My passive income supports my dreams, passions, and joyful lifestyle. I allow wealth to flow into my life through passive income streams. I create long-term wealth through consistent and growing passive income. My passive income brings me peace, freedom, and security daily. I am aligned with opportunities that create unlimited streams of income. My wealth expands constantly through creative and consistent passive income flow. I trust passive income to bring me lifelong wealth and freedom. I deserve effortless money flow through passive channels of abundance daily. I am thankful for my growing passive income and financial freedom. My income streams multiply effortlessly, bringing me wealth and ease daily. I am open to passive income opportunities that support my lifestyle. My abundance grows steadily through wise investments and effortless income. I manifest wealth daily through passive income and consistent financial blessings. My money grows while I sleep, creating freedom and financial abundance. I am financially free because of my growing passive income streams. I deserve prosperity, freedom, and ease through multiple passive income channels. My passive income grows daily, bringing joy, freedom, and abundance to me. I allow money to flow easily into my life without struggle. My income streams grow stronger each day, creating financial security always. I manifest passive income opportunities that expand my wealth effortlessly. I am open to receiving infinite wealth through multiple passive sources. My passive income creates stability, joy, and peace in my life. I trust my wealth grows consistently through passive income investments. My financial abundance supports my freedom, happiness, and limitless opportunities. I am grateful for the financial freedom my passive income provides me. I create wealth easily through passive channels of abundance and prosperity. My income grows automatically, creating lifelong wealth and freedom daily. I am free to live fully because of my passive income. My financial independence expands through multiple growing passive income streams. I manifest consistent income streams that create lasting prosperity and abundance. My passive income flows continuously, giving me time and peace daily. I attract passive income opportunities that expand my wealth naturally. I am open to unlimited wealth through consistent financial growth always. My financial goals are supported through my growing passive income streams. My life is filled with freedom because of my passive income. I allow wealth to flow easily through smart investments and opportunities. My income flows consistently and abundantly without struggle or stress. I am aligned with financial abundance and passive income opportunities daily. My wealth multiplies constantly through passive income streams of abundance. I am worthy of financial freedom, security, and limitless opportunities always. My passive income creates stability, joy, and happiness in my life. I attract wealth-building opportunities that bring lasting passive income growth. My money flows consistently through passive channels of abundance and freedom. I am grateful for my financial growth, wealth, and abundance always. My passive income supports a joyful, abundant, and truly free lifestyle. Thank you for tuning in to Radiant Mindset. These passive income affirmations, Manifest Freedom, are designed to shift your mindset toward effortless wealth, freedom, and abundance. Repeat them often to attract consistent financial flow into your life. If you found value, please like, share, comment, and subscribe for more empowering affirmations.